Did you know that the same oatmeal you eat for breakfast could be quietly helping or harming your heart? Most people think it's the healthiest way to start the day, and yes, oats are great. But after 60, something changes inside your arteries. They begin to stiffen silently long before symptoms show up. Here's the surprising part. What you add to your oatmeal could decide whether those arteries stay open and flexible or slowly clog over time. I am Dr. David R. Collins, and for over 25 years, I've helped older adults keep their hearts strong and their circulation youthful. According to a Harvard review, the foods you combine with your breakfast can actually shift how your blood vessels age for better or worse. So today, we're not just talking about oatmeal. We're talking about the 5 natural ingredients that can help sweep away cholesterol, boost your blood flow, and protect your arteries starting tomorrow morning. Because one of them, ingredient number 1, can noticeably improve your circulation in just a few days. So before you grab that spoon, let me show you which simple additions turn ordinary oats into daily heart therapy. Most people think of cinnamon as just a cozy flavor for breakfast, but after 60, this gentle spice can quietly defend your arteries against one of the most overlooked causes of stiffness: sugar damage. Here's what happens. Every time you eat, your blood sugar naturally rises. That's normal. But as we age, our body doesn't handle those spikes as smoothly. Decades of sweet foods, processed carbs, and even stress make our blood sugar rise faster and stay high longer, and that's where trouble begins. When sugar floats too long in your blood, it reacts with the proteins that line your arteries, forming sticky compounds that make your vessel walls rigid, a process scientists call glycation. Over time, that stickiness becomes inflammation, and inflammation becomes plaque. But cinnamon works like a quiet stabilizer. It slows how fast carbohydrates turn into sugar, keeping your bloodstream calm and balanced. Research from the National Institute on Aging shows that seniors who use cinnamon regularly can lower their fasting blood sugar by nearly 20% and see better insulin sensitivity within weeks. In plain words, when your blood sugar stays steady, your arteries stay smooth and flexible. And there's more. Cinnamon is rich in polyphenols, natural antioxidants that fight free radicals and soothe the inner lining of your vessels. It's like giving your arteries a warm morning massage. If you're still watching, it means you care about your heart, and that's a good sign. Here's a quick tip. Go for Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It's gentler on the liver and has a softer aroma than the common cassia type. Start with just half a teaspoon sprinkled on your cooked oatmeal, never before cooking, as heat can dull its oils. It adds a comforting flavor, and quietly, a layer of protection. You'll feel over time more steady energy, clearer focus, and fewer sugar crashes. But flavor isn't the only secret hiding in your oats. There's one addition that most people never think of: a smooth drizzle that can literally soften stiff arteries from the inside. Now, this one might surprise you. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on your oatmeal doesn't just make it taste richer, it can actually help your arteries stay flexible and strong. Most people think olive oil belongs only in salads or cooking, but here's the truth. In Mediterranean regions, where seniors live longer and heart disease rates are lower, olive oil is a daily ritual, not an occasional treat. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with polyphenols, natural compounds that calm inflammation and prevent your artery walls from hardening. When arteries are inflamed, blood flow becomes restricted, almost like traffic on a narrow road. These polyphenols act like road workers, smoothing, widening, and keeping things moving freely. A study from the Mayo Clinic found that adults who consumed just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil daily had lower levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and better arterial flexibility. For seniors, that means fewer cold hands, steadier heart rhythms, and improved focus. But here's the beautiful part: olive oil doesn't just work alone. It enhances the absorption of nutrients from the other ingredients in your oatmeal, helping your body soak up more of the antioxidants and vitamins that protect your heart. Think of it as a nutrient amplifier. Still with me? Good, that means you're paying attention to what really matters. The key is quality. Always choose cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil, never the light or blended versions. Those are heavily processed and stripped of the compounds your arteries crave. And here's a simple rule: never cook olive oil. Heat breaks down its delicate structure. Instead, drizzle 1 teaspoon over your cooked oatmeal right before eating. It adds a smooth, buttery flavor and transforms your breakfast into a heart-nourishing therapy, one that works quietly in your body all day long. But if you want to give your arteries a daily cleanup, removing the damage that builds up over time, there's one small fruit that does this better than almost anything else in nature. They're tiny, vibrant, and sweet, but don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are some of nature's most powerful protectors for aging arteries. That deep blue color isn't just beautiful, it's a sign of something special inside, called anthocyanins, a family of antioxidants that shield your blood vessels from damage. As we age, our arteries face constant stress from unstable molecules called free radicals. These are like microscopic sparks that scratch and roughen the inside walls of your arteries. Once that lining is damaged, plaque starts to form and blood flow becomes less smooth. Blueberries act like a cleanup crew, sweeping away those sparks before they can cause harm. In a study from the Journal of Nutrition, adults who ate a cup of blueberries every day showed major improvements in arterial flexibility and blood flow even after just a few weeks. In simple terms, smoother arteries mean better circulation, lower blood pressure, and more oxygen reaching your heart, brain, and muscles. That's why so many seniors notice something small but meaningful: warmer hands, steadier energy, clearer thinking. If you're still watching, it shows you care about what's happening inside your body, and that matters. Here's the best way to use them. Add about half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries to your oatmeal. Frozen berries are just as powerful; they're sealed at peak freshness. As they warm, they release a deep purple-blue juice that's their antioxidant power blending into your bowl. Avoid canned or syrupy versions, though. The added sugars can undo the benefits. And if you like variety, mix in some raspberries or blackberries. Two different berries bring different protective compounds. Blueberries don't just color your oatmeal, they renew it, giving every bite the quiet power to rebuild and protect your arteries from the inside out. Now, if you think fruit is impressive, wait until you see what a handful of tiny seeds can do. They don't just protect your arteries, they help sweep them clean. At first glance, they don't look like much, just tiny brown seeds. But inside those little shells, flax seeds hold one of nature's most concentrated sources of heart protection. They're packed with soluble fiber and plant-based omega-3s, two nutrients your arteries absolutely love. Here's why. Soluble fiber acts like a soft broom inside your body. It binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps carry it out before it can harden into plaque. Think of it as a gentle sweep every morning, keeping your arteries clean, smooth, and open. In one clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people who added flax seeds to their daily meals saw their LDL cholesterol, that's the bad kind, drop by nearly 10% in just a month. But that's not all. Flax seeds also contain a special omega-3 fat called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. This healthy fat calms inflammation inside your blood vessels, so blood can flow freely and easily. Less inflammation means less stiffness, fewer blockages, and more oxygen reaching every part of your body from your heart to your brain. Still here with me? That's a great sign. It means you care about protecting your health before problems start. Now, a quick but important tip. Always use ground flax seeds, not whole. Whole seeds often pass through your system without being fully digested, meaning you lose most of their nutrients. You can buy them pre-ground or grind them yourself in a blender. Store them in the refrigerator to keep their natural oils fresh. Each morning, stir 1 tablespoon into your warm oatmeal and let it thicken slightly. The flavor is mild, nutty, and pairs beautifully with fruit or honey. You'll start noticing small but meaningful changes: warmer hands and feet, steadier morning energy, even easier breathing. Those are your body's quiet signals that circulation is improving. But there's one ingredient left, one that works deeper than all the rest. It can rebuild your arteries from the inside out, and it's something most people already have sitting in their kitchen. They may look simple, but walnuts are tiny powerhouses for your arteries. Inside each one is a rare mix of nutrients that help your blood vessels breathe again. Among all nuts, walnuts have some of the highest levels of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and an amino acid called arginine. Your body converts arginine into nitric oxide, a natural molecule that tells your arteries to relax, expand, and let blood flow smoothly. But as we get older, the body makes less nitric oxide. That's one reason many seniors start noticing colder hands and feet, slower recovery after activity, or rising blood pressure. Adding a few walnuts to your morning oatmeal can help reverse that process. In a study from the American Heart Association, older adults who ate a handful of walnuts daily showed better blood vessel flexibility and lower triglycerides within weeks. That's not theory, that's biology you can feel. Warmer hands, calmer heartbeats, and steadier focus throughout the day. Still with me? Good, that means your heart's worth your attention. Here's how to do it right. Add 4 or 5 walnut halves on top of your oatmeal after cooking. Never cook them, heat breaks down their healthy oils. Avoid salted or sugar-coated versions too. Those additives cancel out the benefits. Each morning, those small pieces work like tiny repair tools, restoring elasticity, protecting against oxidation, and keeping your circulation strong. Together with your other ingredients, cinnamon, olive oil, blueberries, and flax walnuts, complete your heart-healing formula. Now, you might be wondering, how often should you eat this? And do all these ingredients really work better together, or is one enough on its own? Let's clear that up next. Now that you know the ingredients, let's make it practical, because knowledge only works when it turns into daily action. Many viewers ask, how often should I eat this oatmeal? Ideally every morning. That's when your blood sugar and circulation need the most support after a night of rest. But even 3 to 4 times a week can make a meaningful difference. The key is consistency, not perfection. Here's the perfect heart-strength oatmeal formula. Half a cup oats for soluble fiber to clear cholesterol. 1 teaspoon olive oil for artery protection. Half a cup blueberries for antioxidants that keep blood vessels flexible. 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds for omega-3s and fiber sweepers. 4 walnut halves for nitric oxide and circulation repair. A pinch of cinnamon to control blood sugar and inflammation. 1 cup water or low-fat milk. Mix, cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and let it rest for 1. Top with berries and walnuts, never cook them. You'll start noticing changes slowly but steadily. Warmer hands and feet in cold weather, lower morning stiffness, more energy and sharper focus, a lighter feeling in your chest after climbing stairs. It's your body's quiet way of saying, thank you for taking care of me again. Common questions. When's the best time to eat it? Morning before 10 a.m. so your metabolism and circulation get a healthy start. Can I skip the olive oil or nuts? You can, but each ingredient has a unique role. Together they form a complete defense system. Can I add honey or dates? Yes, but keep it minimal, just a teaspoon. You don't want to spike blood sugar. Small habits build strong hearts. And this one habit, a simple bowl of healing oatmeal, can quietly protect your arteries, your energy, and your years ahead. But before you go, let's wrap up everything we learned today and talk about the real reason this matters far beyond just breakfast. When you think about your health, it's easy to feel like aging means decline, slower legs, tighter chest, or less energy. But your body has a quiet truth it's been waiting to show you. Healing never stops, no matter your age. Every heartbeat, every breath, and every meal gives your arteries a new chance to repair and renew. And that's exactly what you're doing when you start your morning with this simple, healing bowl of oatmeal. You're not just feeding your body, you're teaching it to stay young. Because each ingredient has a mission. Cinnamon keeps your blood sugar calm. Olive oil protects the inner lining of your arteries. Blueberries sweep away the damage of time. Flax seeds gently pull out excess cholesterol. Walnuts restore circulation and open the path for smoother blood flow. Together, they form a quiet symphony of recovery when your heart feels long before you notice it on paper. Take a moment and imagine this. A few weeks from now, you wake up feeling lighter. Your hands are warmer. Climbing stairs doesn't leave you winded. Your doctor looks at your report and smiles. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. That's what happens when small changes are made with consistency and care. Your heart isn't just beating, it's listening. So feed it what keeps it strong. You deserve a body that supports your goals, your family, and your years ahead, not one held back by tired circulation. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about, because one simple breakfast can quietly save a life. And if you'd like more science-backed health videos like this, make sure you subscribe to Seniors Health Hub, where every week we share natural ways to stay strong, active, and full of life at any age.